Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we're back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So the app we're gonna share with you is on Google Play Store. Simply head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach on Google Play Store, so this app we are sharing with you, it will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So the app is known as DeepTune VPN. DeepTune VPN. Among the presented, you pick this one. So you install the app on your device. Make sure to install the right app. And before using this app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage in your country and adhere with them. Lastly, make sure to read your ISP terms and conditions regarding the VPN usage, and make sure to follow them, the internet service provider terms and regulations regarding VPN usage. So after that, you're required to open the app and set it up. And when you open the app, it will take you to its home screen where the customization begins. So first of all, you're required to tap to have a running internet, and when you have a running internet, this app will automatically update its resources, so there's no need to update the app resources. And after that, you're required to pick a server right here where you see auto. So you can either pick auto or you can pick any of the presented. So for today's video, let's pick auto server. In this way, the app will automatically pick the best server in your location. And the other setting is pick your country network or your country name. So for today's guide, we have chosen the Ethiopia UDP. So in case you are from Ethiopia, you can simply tap and pick Ethiopia and you'll be able to connect. And if you are not from Ethiopia, please you pick your country name. And if UDP is working for your country, this option of Ethiopia UDP, it may work in your country. So you can pick this one, Ethiopia UDP. UDP is fast and secure when you are online. So after that, you're required to add on time. Where you see time left, you trace this add hours button, and when you trace it, this app will be able to add on its connection hours, keeping you connected for a long session. Lastly, to insert a fast and secure connection and to add extra protection when you are online, you're required to tap on this start button. And after a few seconds, this app will be connected. As you can see right here, the app is connected. And that's how we set up DeepTune VPN to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online.